Hello, welcome to part 2 of the EDM Pro setup. I'm get running permanently now. I wasn't gonna do this, I did kind of move it the right way. I'll run the wires nicely. I need to get a brush down here, probably do that later. Excuse the shittiness, I'm not doing lights because fuck it, I don't care enough. What are you going to turn on and set up today? 2 lines here, one's a switch, the 1 gig and the 10 gig switch. One there's my basement router, so I'll do that in a later video. This is to my, we're going to use my main router, my main network router for internet. I plug in this cable here, which is to my, I just went up on the wall there, port 8. I'll do that later though. 8, maybe not, we'll see. The goal now is to get this changed over. So right now this cable here goes to the LAN, that will have my main internet access. I bypassed it into the first switch and then into the second switch. This is internet, so I don't really do the video. Spent the last couple of days doing this wiring up here and getting it done nicely. Wasn't going to, but decided to do it right and save it. So I'll go ahead and switch this over. Get these computers going. I'll see you guys there. Okay, so what's next here? Do we have internet or not? We do at 0240. Okay, good. So I can set the VLANs a little bit today. I made my access point and get that set up over here, and not it's been set up here. What did I make the password? Fuck. Alright. Okay, so top client, see the data there, no deal. Topology. Compliance, that's separate. Yeah, computer side, I know that. Okay, let's see here. Devices. Nothing's really on yet. Ports. Okay. Port 2, I want to adjust some things here. I want to adjust the VLAN a little bit. I'm really not sure how to do it, to be honest with you. Okay. EDM Pro create VLAN. Okay, so settings. That works. Okay, here's the default. Can I change it? Yes. This is a 0 network. I'm gonna go to 1 gig. This network will run the 1 gigabit switch. I think to there. Be a 0 network, that's fine, whatever. IP range is good. It's so weird that it starts at the fucking end though. I thought it that would matter. My favorite thing that it does matter. Apply the change. Create new. And this is kind of a dumb way to do it. Don't get me wrong. But I don't have, I do have one, I'm using it. The switches I'm using are not managed. So I can't really do a whole lot with that. I would divide the 2 switches into separate networks. So I'm gonna I got 10 gig router. Is this one. Auto scale. What is it? 10.1? 10.1, 24 is fine. Gateway, broadcast, range. That's all good. VLAN ID 2. What's this? No. 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 That would be nice for another thing I want to do, but not right now. Is good. Alright, create. Okay. So let's get into topology, network versus ports. Okay, port 2 is the 10 gig switch. We're gonna change it to the 10 gig VLAN. This is gonna kick us off the network temporarily. Apply. So now we should have lost it, I think. Did I change addresses yet? 0240. And this may still work. No. If I go IP config, renew. Get up my server here, that may be a problem. It is still showing that 0. Do I still have access to it? Yes. Which is weird, I guess. And is it hooked up backwards, possibly? Or is it just not giving a shit? Oh, it's weird that one's up fast. The UDM Pro is only gig on these ports, so that's why it's gigabit. I did that on purpose, huh? Trying to fix that problem. Maybe you go into. Oh, that'd be fun. Fuck. Is that showing only fast Ethernet? Maybe that cable's kind of fucked up. That's not good. Okay, so. Yeah, okay, now we just lost our connection. So that change may not have taken effect right away. Because now we're showing no internet. So, let's try the renew again. And it's not showing the server was connected. So, it's kind of concerning. And it's still showing me 0 to 40. Right now we have no internet at all. Fuck. Whatever. Do anything on the screen for the Pro itself. No, it is not. I'm showing connection on both ports. Either the physical ports connected. I'm not showing gigabit on the gigabit switch, which you know that already. Interesting. So, not sure why we're not getting anything now. We can try to do a manual IP and see if we can get that to work or not. Yeah, it's not giving me. I didn't set that manually, right? Or did I? Hold on. No, because it's working without this being turned on even. I'll double check it. Try one, but. Yeah, no. That's gonna be a problem. Let's turn that off right now. Yeah. Right now we're just gonna go like that. Okay, we are showing internet now. But it's just DHCP is not doing anything for some reason. Which is not good. Not sure what you are. Okay. Ports, we have that guy working, but seemingly no DHCP. Networks, this guy here. Range is good. 10.1 to 10.254. DHCP server. TB WD. Okay. I was not getting an address from it. So if ID 2. Okay. So let's go back into here. Properties. Turn this off. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that now works. So can I see connected devices? But there should be more than just this. I wonder how my server was set up to take internet. If I set it manually on there, if I set it on something else. Let's find out the easy way. So let's tap into the main router if I can. Yes, I can. Advanced setup. LAN setup. So it was set from here. But is that even a 10 gig? It might be. But I'm not seeing it pop up. So I'm kind of wondering if we're even getting an IP address out of it. Let's try the 1 gig NIC. I'm gonna hook it up. See if we get a connection out of it. So yeah, there's no monitor hooked up to it, it's gonna be a problem. I don't know what the fuck this is. Or is that the server? Maybe. I don't think so. Let's just try something here. I got it. Shit. I got it. I'm not through. No. No. Okay. So we have something new here. Which means it's 101. But it should be the main server I need to get back up and running here. So let's try that. I can type this in here. It's fine. Okay, we're in the server. What is going on in here? Networking wise. Okay, now I'm really confused. If I do it on this computer, not the other one, I'll got some. Okay. What are you set to do here? Okay. So there's that. Yeah, it's not changing the address, that's why. So let's see what we can get to do with just that. Interesting. And that's why. So we're getting nothing out of the DHCP server. Okay, interesting. Allow all active. Trying to get the DHCP to work. Do I need to? Do I? Yeah, that's not me. Should I think it would? This is on VLAN G2. What's the port on? Or the 2, yep. Active, yep. That works. That doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter. But yet, weirdly, the first one works just fine. Yeah, I could set it manually, but that won't help in the future. Right, add more devices. Yeah, no, fuck. Um, yeah, add the profile port, so port 2. I could, but again, I need it to automatically first. That's this one's. Nothing in here is different. I can tell at least. because there's no the test here. I'm curious. I'm just theorizing something here. Yes. Oh, the microphone. Yeah, that's not supposed to do that. Well, it kind of is actually, but okay. So I believe because of the switch I'm using is not managed and it's not on a VLAN. Because maybe this should not be working right now the way it's set up. Which tells me my idea is not going to work. I'm using a minute switch to handle all this stuff. Fuck. Not what I really wanted to do. But wait. Hold on. How the okay, wait. This port is also on the 10 gig switch. That being the case, how did this one get an IP automatically? They're on the same switch. Hold on. What? This got its IP address automatically. DHCP is working. That's confusing. DHCP works because that connected. The only shit not working was already plugged in. So that tells me to restart the UDM Pro and see what happens. Fuck. Because now I screwed a bunch of shit I probably didn't have to. So let's try to get out of this here. Out of the network, then back into the main. And I kind of wonder what I'm looking at a third device that's not part of. And it's already turned on. Like I could plug in. Fuck. I don't know. Does the Wi-Fi work? Because that's on the 10 gig switch right now. If I connect into here. This is the AP connected to the 10 gig switch right now. Do we get an address out of there? Yes. So DHCP works. It's not that. So let's try this again here. we have it on manual. We don't? What? I'm so confused. I thought I set a manual address on this. Okay, maybe not. So it's just the server now we're fighting with. So I can disconnect this. And it may not do shit because it's a fucking manually configured address. So we can take this off and see what it gets. Please tell me I fucked with the right one. I'm wondering if the server's not even trying to get a new address. Oh, yeah, we got it. It's not 155. Okay, good. So we got 10 gig is working. Okay, so that fixed it. What I did there, fixed it. What I want to do now is get into here and refresh this. Okay. I'm gonna pull the 1 gig NIC cable out. I'm used to this being on 23 or dot 23. I want to keep it that way. So reassign that here. Is that it? I forget. No. That one out. That was not me hands right now. Pull that one out. I refresh this guy now. Shoot one less device in here. Now. I'm thinking it's this one we want. One of these now should not work. Alright. Audio-55. Boom. Alright. Well, we don't back to being 10.23. So let's get into networks. I've seen it somewhere. What device is? No, that's not in here. Client devices. 55. Settings. Insights. For insights. Fuck. I know I've seen it somewhere. There we go. Fixed IP address. I'll put it on 23. Apply. Alright, so now how quickly does that affect it? Oh. So you remove the desktop here. And you're going to do 155. Enough time. More choices. Log in as the administrator. Hit this one more time. Now we might lose the connection. I think we have. What if I ping 1023? So we can cancel that now. Into here, go to 23. More choices, different accounts. Don't ask me again. Go with yes. Boom. That unplugged now. That is weird, whatever. Okay, yeah, back to what I want this computer to act. This computer now is going into here. Get back into here one last time. And change it so that we have this as 1023. Say backup what you do. And now it's going to ping. More judge there. I do this. Good. The server is done. This is gonna be annoying because we change everything now. Let's try to get the Wi-Fi figured out. Or the AP, I should say. Okay. I may use on dedicated VLAN later, but for right now, I'm not going to. So we can get it kind of up and running. Put it on. I should get on network, huh? Okay, let's try. Let's try to get it set up first. You hear me back with post started. I want to get in and kind of reset the AP without having to do the reset button. Be easier. I'm not gonna show this because it's just not set up. Or no, my texture is not really set up, but I'm gonna try to get into my Ubitquiti server software. And I'm being lazy, that's naturally I know. Try to reset the AP. Alright. Devices. The result. Hit remove. Alright, let's see here. Can I adopt it now? No, fine. Okay. That didn't do shit. Alright. Let's see how I've lost connection to the internet there, which not sure I agree with that. Let's find out. Our phone does not settle anymore. Join that network. Probably for this. Alright, whatever. Let me try to reset it, I guess. get it off the wall. Let's see if that resets it or not. It may have. Oh, we got it. Oh, that's right, I want to go and do something else. I forgot. Okay, let me change something here. I don't want to do it just yet. Shit. Getting ready. When I plug this straight into the UDM Pro, I didn't end up thinking this was temporary because I could keep it alive. This cable here, I bet with it under that. UDM 8, yep. I should say I'm plugging the PoE injectors when in or out or to the UDM Pro's port 8. So, what we're gonna do is reload this. 10.95. Port 8 is showing that it has connection at Gigabit. It's now showing it offline. I need to restart it. Alright. We've got that in now. Let's see here. Settings, Wi-Fi. Just gonna fucking get rid of this shit like the password is. It needs to be old thing. Apply. Can I just reconnect devices to it without having to change a bunch of shit? I'm waiting to set the AP to actually send it out. Alright, that's port 8. iPhone sees it. And connect. Cool. Show you guys here, back into here. Connect. Boom. Alright. Am I getting IP addresses? Yes. There. Cool. I am. So that's all set up. It's not here because I have Ethernet. Better. Alright, so this is majority of it done. The AP's on the UDM Pro dedicated ports. I want you guys to don't fuck up right now, but I do want to give its own VLAN, its own IP setup. Except the basement, the port 7 network, my basement lab. And it's just 6 switch. I'm not fucking that time though. I got on later. So we have now 2 VLANs going. We have Wi-Fi going off the GDM Pro. Well, turning similar AP, but yeah, that's a way to manage it by going there. And yeah, I may end part 2 here. We'll see. If I go on for this last part. Yeah. So yeah, I will see more of the day, but for now I will leave this turned on. I'll leave the EDM Pro on and running. So next time you come in here, we'll see it then running for days, hours, and not 15 minutes. But as you saw with in the beginning of the first clip on my camera, where I put it in, I just turned it on because I just hadn't had it hooked up. Alright, and this is a WAN IP address. This is internal. It's my main router for the main Wi-Fi. I use the Ubiquiti AP because the Wi-Fi in there is faster. The radio is better. It's newer thing. That sounds so stupid. The main router, it's an old wireless and it's not as good as the AP. But I'm still using the main router as a switch basically. So, yeah. Okay, I'll ship now. Let's go. Probably Monday, hopefully. Today's Friday. I don't know how long so. See you. I'll be back. It's been a while actually. That was for the most part. Be awake? I don't know. Let's see. My phone's forgotten. That's what it is. Right, good. Has been. Where's the uptime at? What? Bullshit. How? Okay, it's been off for fucking days. Why is. Okay. I'm confused by that. This thing's been on for days. Not fucking 12 minutes. Oh, you have one off, yeah, okay. But now I'm really confused. Why does it say fucking 12, 13 minutes when it's been on for fucking days? Well, I hate to look like a fucking liar here, but it's been on since when I recorded the last part. Um, 3:12. Oh, so this is so it's been 6 days. I'm still awake. Okay, and it's been fine. I'm not gonna sit here and waste time. I don't know why. If you don't believe me, I completely understand you. This has been on for fucking 6 days, not fucking 13 minutes. I don't know what to say there. I genuinely, if you don't believe me, I understand that. I was in the shower fucking the last 10, 15 minutes. So the power did not just go out. So why it says that, I don't know. Fuck it. I'm kind of pissed me off. I'm like a fucking liar. Anyhow, it's 62 gigs. Interesting. What I did today is configure the Wi-Fi VLAN today. The next time you'll configure the basement web VLAN. And that would be probably about it for now. So demonstrate here, we got Wi-Fi. My little what I'm voting out is my main network. This is the only I use because why not? And to show you what here, if I open a command prompt, IP config, we are getting on the Wi-Fi adapter 043. Now while I'm in here, I'll make a note of what networks I'm doing with what, so I get confused later. Client devices, 0210, which is my Mac Mini, I think. Yeah, it's on a 10 gig network. That is my server, I believe. Yeah, this is the main PC that I'm on right now. It's on the 10 gig network and the Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi 4. I wonder, my phone right there. One of them. Can you nickname these devices? Yes. Now, what phone is that? Is the question. And as the other things that change every time, so it doesn't matter if I do this. I don't know. Anyhow. Okay. What else do I have? I have 192.168.1.1 main slash Netgear router. 192.168.0. Well, I'm gonna put 1.x main or 1 gig network, and 2.168.10.x 10 gig. So we'll create to 192.168.2.x as the Wi-Fi. Why? Because I can. Now what I don't know is, do I set the port? Do I set the actual Wi-Fi AP itself to VLAN? UDM Pro Wi-Fi VLAN. Because I create the VLAN and assign the Wi-Fi to it. Because I'm not going to assign the port. I'll be assigning the Wi-Fi network itself. So, I forgot this. Okay, networks. Okay, create new. Close the Wi-Fi. UDM Pro 2, which is perfect. Plus 24. RG3. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Or we just need the viewing ID match that third octet. So I'm gonna go with I can't do 1.1 because of main network is not. I could just change that. I gotta follow kind of shit if I want to do that. Let's go with 3.1. VLAN ID 3. Let me change this. And I guess just say too, I'm thinking, so far everything's working great. The only issue is the wireless printer can't be found by this computer. Not many finds it just fine. Or no. This computer found it, not many could not. I used the Wi-Fi though, it could find it because it's on the main network. But other than that, everything connects to the server fine. To try to find the internet fine. The only thing I had is that with that printer, which I use very often, so no big deal there. But yeah, something like that. No big deal though, because I don't use it that often. When I do, use the Wi-Fi, my main network, and boom. Alright, let's create this. Yeah. This network thing. Create new. I may not have to mess with this. Did not. So let's get into Wi-Fi. Main network here. Network on Wi-Fi. Apply. Alright. So, let's do a renew here. So that didn't work. Pretty fast though. It's kind of weird. Wi-Fi's got nothing. Ethernet has the 10 address. Okay, running this problem again. Go figure. Because the network does have that. So renew again. Does not want it. Oh. It's taking longer to connect. I'm gonna turn my phone and see if it shows anything. So no internet. Oh, what? Yeah, I'm not getting shit out of it. So, that's not good. Let's try the other thing here. Internet. Straight new. Wi-Fi. How much it does, but try that. We can get out now. Might set that port anyways. Let's try that. UAP Pro on the Wi-Fi again. Apply. It's not on there. Connected always. Or even showing in the devices. Anyway. We R. And it's showing the old address. If you have no internet. That's not. This computer right here. This is not something else you book for. This is what thinks the fucking Wi-Fi card is, bro. Ports, port 8. Wrong. Oh. I wonder. Um. Oh, wow. Oh. Let's try this. Yeah. Not quite. Um. Oh. Active. We put it on there. Active, native, speed. What did I do last time I saw this? Do something similar. Um. I don't know what the fuck this does. It's the same thing as this. I need it to be the same as .6. Oh, yeah. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's stuck on this address. Okay. Let me go ahead and think if the AP does not connect to the yeah, not working. So I find the cable going to it. I believe it was this one down here. Ah, that was good. I can tell you. Okay, I plugged it. Lights off. If I can see it, but wait. Oh. Plug it back in. And that start back up. We'll show you another way, so I will internet shutter. Port 8. I put it under. Yeah. It's on now. Okay, so that's good. 3.95. Do I get anything out of it? Looking good. I'm trying a font too. Not getting an IP address though. No internet. But we're showing connection. It's showing no address. No. The address is the didn't bullshit. It's not gonna work. Why is it doing that though? Never understood this. Okay, it's saying to, I'm reading here, the port should be on a trunk. I don't want to do that. Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna the trigger profile for that. Manual port profile. What's in the new one? It takes me here. Selection. We're not seeing a of us to pick from. Does it not work? Oh. They were connecting to the switch port. Maybe if you the same as not being broadcast. So we need to go to here and go back to this network. Okay. Which means we're gonna lose this again. I hit restore. That works good. So I put it on the 1 gig again. And to come back up. I don't see and allow all. Oh. Well, this is already been in trunk mode. It's on allow all. So this is not the problem. This is back up and running. The phone's connected. No, it's not. According to the phone. Oh, wait, here we go. Address 3120. Okay, cool. So now if I my other phone then. So let's try to label these if it'll work. I don't know. I have these fake addresses, so I'll disguise my phone call. So this phone is the iPhone 8. I'm using an A18, A3, or 4A32. Okay. Yeah, 3120. I see that on there. This one I presume to be my 14. If I know. And an E316, that is correct. So I'll put this in as the 14. Alright. So, let me listen to it. It claims on here it's got a 3 address. Let's find out. You have 387. That's correct. For the other phone, it's old. Should have internet on here. Yes, I do. Alright. And now to try it on here to show you guys. I connect to it. Boom. Oops. 340/30. I should now see that this should show a address 343. Here we go. I'll go with this too. So I don't know what the hell it is. And this presumably is the Mac Mini. I forced your address. Right. Or is it using the Tila? No. Right now it's not turned on, so. And this presumably is the. I should show that number, huh? Is the MacBook Pro. Right, I'm one. This is quite how it is. So anyway, my final step here. I don't understand why the fuck that's. I don't get that at all. And clearly I've been using it to just see all this shit. Like this shit, Google, Xbox, I'll start from my GTA, Snapchat, that a lot. Bullshit, iCloud, Flaviness, Instagram, Apple, Facebook, Discord, fucking sure, SSL, secure thing. And of course YouTube, 9 Goose. It's not worse than that actually. Alright. What I wanted today was get the Wi-Fi VLAN set up. I final step to get the basement set up. I want to try that today. No. I'm going to spend it on it again, but clearly that you see the videos, so clearly you see what I'm using it. We'll do that hopefully soon, maybe tomorrow, we'll see. Right now, I've been busy with work, and just, I get home and I don't want to do shit, honestly. So there's that. But we will get that done, that'll be it for this condition. Beyond that, see you on the next part.